Hey everybody, Robert Wright here, private label law attorney, and today I want to answer the question, FOB or EXW, do these shipping terms really matter? Okay, so first let's talk about what that means. You know, when we're negotiating with suppliers, you're going to see a lot of prices quoted in FOB, and then sometimes you're going to have suppliers that push EXW, and you might think, well, those are just, you know, some little letters on a quote, doesn't really matter, but in terms of logistics, it's huge, okay? So FOB means free on board, and that effectively means the cost of the goods and then getting the goods to whatever port you're shipping out of, right? So basically, your supplier in FOB terms are taking care of getting the product produced and getting it where it needs to be, either on a plane or a boat. That saves you a step. EXW, on the other hand, is just, here's what the cost of the goods are, and when we're done, you've got to find somebody to pick them up at our warehouse or factory, get them to your plane, get them to your boat, get them to the port, wherever they need to be, that's on you. And I will tell you, private label selling is difficult enough, right? It is complicated enough to do product research. It is complicated enough to get a product produced. It is complicated enough to put it on a boat, get it into Amazon. There's a lot of steps, right? And if just by paying a supplier a little bit more, right, for FOB terms, saves one of those steps, eliminates one of those steps for you and puts the onus on the supplier, to me, that is worth its weight in gold. So as you're negotiating with suppliers, don't just ignore, don't be blasé about EXW or FOB. And in fact, if your supplier is saying EXW, EXW, and they'll tell you this because your order is not big enough, it's a smaller order, they just don't do that. Push them. You are the customer and the customer is always right, right? Suppliers want to make sales just like any other salesperson here in the States. Make that part of the deal. Push FOB terms. It eliminates just one piece in a really long process and puts the onus on the supplier and takes it away from you.